Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you some basic reviews of Nikon D5300 DSLR which I purchased last year. So for further, get into the video now. So this is the DSLR itself. You're gonna see here it's a very good DSLR which I purchased. It's yeah, you're gonna see the branding here. It's Nikon D5300 model name. It's Nikon, which I purchased with the 70 to 300 plus 18 to 55 millimeter kit lens. You're gonna see from the top side here. It's a very good DSLR. I'm using it for last 1 year and I feel so good. The picture quality of this DSLR is so amazing. It's a 24.2 megapixels CMOS APS-C crop sensor, and which has a 39 autofocus points, which has 9 cross type autofocus points. And yeah, it's a pretty good camera for budget. You're gonna see here it's a micro SD card slot. Here you're gonna see, I'm gonna put it right back there. It's a micro SD card slot. There is a battery slot. Let me open this. Yeah, here see there is a battery slot. It's a Nikon battery with an 1230 mAh. It's an EN-EL14A battery which is packed with this DSLR, and this is my tripod mount, so forget this. So now this is the DSLR itself. You're gonna see there is a delete button, zoom in zoom out button, playback button, and you go up down, next, up right button, OK button. There is a menu button from which you can go to the menus of this DSLR like this. So there is a I button which will direct bring you to the screen, main screen, where you press that again and you go to some basic settings. Here is a autofocus settings like autofocus autonomous, autofocus single servo, autofocus continuous servo, or manual focus like buttons there. There is autofocus lock button, and this is the swiveable 3.2-inch display, but it's not the touch screen. You can see here this is not a touch screen, but yeah, it's very good DSLR still. So this is the dial button. You're gonna see the different modes here: manual, aperture priority mode, shutter priority mode, programmed auto mode, and auto. And there is a lot of effects like sports scene and scene. There is a lot of scene in there, like a silhouette or kind of something. Let me show you. Yeah, you're gonna see there's a different modes here: night landscape, party indoor, beach snow, sunset, dusk and dawn, pet portrait, etc, etc. So this is a live view button. You're gonna see, yeah, this view can direct bring you to the live view. Let me open my cap and you're gonna see there it direct bring me to my live view button. You're gonna see this is the live view button. And yeah, the main thing is this DSLR is it comes with the inbuilt Wi-Fi plus GPS, so you can transfer your photos directly into your mobile without using a data cable or kind of something else, but using only Wi-Fi. There is a app on a Play Store which is called WMU, Wireless Mobile Utility App. You can download it from the Google Play Store and connect it with your Nikon cameras and directly transfer your photos into high quality or normal quality in your phone, and further edit it and share it on your Facebook, Instagram, or whatever you wanna share it though. So this is the DSLR. Yeah, it has a 39 autofocus points and it's pretty good, it's pretty fast. It has a 3D tracking there, also very good. This is the hot shoe mount. There's a stereo mic in there. There is a function button. This is a flash button. You're gonna see this is the flash button. So this is the DSLR itself, and if you wanna see some sample photos, I put some sample photos in the last part of the video, so please continue and make sure you can see that. So this is the review or overview kind of a video, something, not a full review, but yeah, it's still good camera in 2019. If you want this camera for photography, then you should have to go for it, and if you want this camera for videography, then I'll prefer go with a Canon, any other Canon camera, because it has a hybrid dual pixel technology, you know, which is very good at autofocus in video. But in photography, it's Nikon. It's very good camera. You're gonna see it's very good for photography, and yeah. But if you want the camera for videos, on uploading videos on YouTube or some kind of else videography, for basic videography, you have to go with Canon, and for photography, I'm directly say you have to go with Nikon. So it's your choice what you want. So thank you. If you find this video interesting, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's my first kind of this video on review, so please make sure you subscribe. It needs support. I need to grow my channel, that's why. So from there I'm gonna put some sample shots of the DSLR, which is edited, not a raw one, which is edited in Lightroom Mobile or Snapseed. So you're gonna see here right now.